Kamusta? It's me, Viganda, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my channel is all about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free. For today, we are doing the unboxing of the Kat Von D or the KVD Beauty Vegan Love Eyeshadow Palette. Woohoo! Alright, so if you want to see what this palette looks like, just keep on watching. Let me start off by saying that for every Vegan Love Eyeshadow palette sold, Kat Von D Beauty, which is now called KVD Beauty, is donating 20% of the retail price to Mercy for Animals, which is an international nonprofit organization dedicated to preventing cruelty to animals. Alright? I would also like to take this time in promoting the concept of Adopt Don't Shop. So basically, if you are interested to have a dog or a cat, instead of buying from breeders or backyard breeders, I would really sincerely appeal to your hearts to please just adopt a rescue animal from the nearest animal shelter, or also get in touch with your local animal rescue organization to adopt a dog or a cat. I do have an animal rescue organization back in Manila, which is called ARF Manila. Sorry, I am promoting that. Sorry, right there. Okay, so I am wearing the t-shirt that we use for fundraising. So it's ARF Manila. You could visit our Facebook account or page, which is called ARF Manila. You could just search for it. Again, you get to see really adorable and loving rescue dog and cats for adoption. Okay, if you are not familiar with the cruelty that happens during breeding or backyard breeding, there's a lot of articles and YouTube videos that would inform you of such cruelty. All right, so again, adopt, don't shop. Okay, now back to the Vegan Love Eyeshadow Palette. Let us now proceed in unboxing it. Okie dokie. All right, here we go. Right, so let's open it up. At the back, the information that I was telling you about earlier, again, it tells you for every palette sold, 20% of the retail price would be donated to Mercy for Animals. All right, so it says here at the back, Cat's brightest ever vegan shade. Really excited. Okay, and then hold on, let me just fix the box right here, because I don't know what sound I'm making, but 1, 2, 3, bam! Oh goodness, it is true. The shades are really fun, very colorful, really bright. It has 4, 8, 10. It has 10 shades all in all. And this palette retails for $21. Okay, so let's start swatching the shades. Okay, I just covered the mirror that came along with it, because you get to see, it might reflect and you get to see how messy my makeup table right now is. So yeah, again, it has 10 shades, and we'll start off, well, I'll read to you all the shade names, right? So let's start from here. It says Compassion. This is the one right here. It is more of like a gold metallic eyeshadow. The next one is called Activist, which is a really pretty yellow color, right? And then the next one is called Sentient, right? This is more of like a bronze. It's more of like a bronze color. Right? Okay, and then the next one is called Species, right? So it's more of like a brown color. All of them are metallic, like shimmery shades. No matte colors for this palette, right? And then the next one right here is called Liberation. It's the black shade of this palette. And then the green one here is called Earthling. It is really pretty. It's a really green, kind of bright green eyeshadow. And then the next one is called Sanctuary. This pretty blue shade right here. And then here is called Equality. Okay, so it's more of like a beige color. Okay, and then Empathy, which is a violet color. And then the last one is called Mercy. So it's a really pretty red color. Okay, so let's swatch it. Let's start off with Compassion. Okay, so let me try to put this down. Again, I'm sorry for if you could hear like a banging sound or like a thumping sound. I think my next door neighbor is doing some construction. So yeah, so again, let's start off with Compassion. First one right here is, let's start here. Wow! Look at that pretty metallic gold. Oh wow! It could be really like a nice evening kind of look if you use it on your eyelid, right? So you get to see that. Yeah, pretty, right? So the next one is called Activist, the yellow shade right there. Okay, so let us swatch it. Dun, 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 dun. Bam! Woo! That is pretty. Wow, right? Okay, I mean that shimmer, that metallic effect it's just awesome, right? So the next one that we'll be swatching would be the Sentient shade. Okay, so okay, let us try that. Bam! My goodness, the pigment of this palette is just amazing. Amazing, right? Okay, wow. Okay, the next one that we'll be swatching is Species. Okay, so I'll use my thumb right here. Okay, just a teeny tiny bit, and then whoa. Whoa, look at those colors like side by side, right? It's pretty awesome. Okay, and the last one, sorry, let me just wipe my finger. Okay, and then we are moving on to Liberation. Okay, the black color. So let us okay, just a teeny tiny bit, and then I'll do it here. Okay, bam! Right? I mean, it's not too like really dark charcoal black, but it's still very pretty, right? It's really good to use if you're doing like a smoky eye eyeshadow. So yeah, those are the 5 shades that are really pretty. Okay, again, Compassion, this one right here, and then Activist, and then Sentient, and then Species, then the last one is Liberation. Okay, so and then we will move on to the last 5 right here. So I will be right back. Let me just wipe my finger. Oh, not my finger, my palm, and my fingers also. And then we will swatch the remaining 5. Okay? Okay, I'm back. So let's move on to the 5 remaining shades. Let's start with the really pretty green one, which is Earthling. Okay? So let me put that down, and then okay. Gosh, I just I kind of just got a little bit of the product, but the pigment, guys, it's just amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Shut the front door. Goodness, that is pretty, right? Oh my gosh, right? Okay, then the next one that I'll be swatching is the blue shade, which is Sanctuary. Right, so I'll use this. Just a teeny tiny product. I mean, and then bam! Ooh! I am very impressed. I am really impressed in this palette. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. And then the next one is the beige color, which is Equality. Oops. Equality, right? So let us try that. I mean, I'm not really, it's just a very light kind of motion when I'm getting the product or the shade. But look at the payoff. Like, the pigment is just amazing. Boom! Okay. Right? It's not showing a lot because it's kind of similar to my skin tone. But look at the shimmer. Look at the metallic effect. It's just amazing, right? Again, that is called Equality. And then the next one is called Empathy, which is the violet shade right here. So let us try that. I'm gonna use my thumb. And then, oops, fell. Okay, right? And then, bam, 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 bam. Ooh, does it focus? Okay, right? It's like a purple, yeah, not purple, violet, plum kind of shade. So, yeah, it's really pretty. Okay, and then we will try to wipe my finger. Let me just do that for a while here. Okay. And then the last shade, which is the red one. Okay. Which is Mercy. Right? That is the... Have I wiped my finger properly? Okay. Alright. Yeah, I guess it's gone. Yeah. So let's try the last shade, which is Mercy. It has a bit of like a fallout, but I mean, yeah, still nice. So let's try it here. Whoa, whoa, that is pretty. It's like a red orange color. In person, it's more like a, yeah, it's still red orange, more on the red side. But yeah, look at my palm. Look at the colors. It's pretty, right? Gosh, this too, right here, which is what again? Earthling, which is the green one, and then the Sanctuary, which is the blue one. It's just, whoo, amazing. Let me try to put, like, just for fun, I'll take the yellow color, which is Activist, right? And then I'll put it like right beside it. Look at those 3 shades, right? Goodness, my, right? It's amazing. Again, the pigment of this palette is just outstanding, right? Again, this palette retails for $21, right? Again, part of the profit would go to an animal rescue or animal welfare organization, which is called Mercy for Animals. And this palette has 10 shades. All right. So yeah, I super love it. I can't wait to try it and like put up a really nice eyeshadow look. I'm really excited with this 3 right here. Like these colors are just amazing. All right, again, this is the Kat Von D or the KVD Beauty Vegan Love Eyeshadow Palette. Lastly, if you want to see more videos about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free, and to really know that there is a better way when it comes to beauty without harming animals, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you would be notified of my future videos. Alright? So before I go, as a vegan and an animal rescuer, I would like to remind everyone that beauty should always be inside and out. Till next time, bye!